What did you call it?
This big old donger tree.
You want to explain to the viewers what that is? Don't.
Big old donger. Big old donger.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another exciting adventure with Destination Stone. If you happen to be new here, my name's Stevie.
And I'm Dwayne.
Today we're just hanging out on a chill Saturday. We've been going hard for, how long have we been doing this? 2 years now?
Something like that.
We're a bit wore out. So we've just been hanging out here for the day, and maybe we'll swing over to a Walmart and check out some toys, because you know we love toy hunting. That's
right.
So come on guys, let's hang out on this fun day and chill out with us.
Let's go. You're recording me.
Is it cold? Just dive in, dude.
Oh, I don't know how deep it is right here. It looks kind of deep.
But how are you gonna know if you don't just go? I can't even move it.
That's deep.
How do you feel?
Oh.
What?
There's fish in here. I hope that's what that is.
And you guys see? I'm gonna fall. Here you go.
Thank you.
Witness Dwayne as he ventures into the water, the deep, deep unknown. Oh my God! What is it? What was that? Oh, there he goes! Oh my God!
Whoa, it's really deep in there.
Oh my God! You didn't feel the end? You didn't feel the end?
Woo! No.
We've brought y'all here before. If I could find that video, I'll link it up in the cards and in the description below. It's a big railroad track with a big old waterfall under it and a bunch of cool graffiti. And Dwayne, how you doing? We're just hanging out. Exhaustion is a real disease. And this is the cure. See the M? It means medicine.
I got a butterfly on my head. Just hanging out.
I'm a bags of pants. I'm ready to go.
Back down the hill.
All right.
I love it up here.
We're gonna hike back down, and we might head over to Walmart and see what clearance they had. You know we can't help ourselves. Dwayne's eating berries that are unknown.
That tastes like a blackberry, but it's red. It's like a pokeberry or something. That's good.
Oh my God, he's gonna
Look at this weird bug. See him?
What the hell?
Right there.
Whoa! Slippity doodah! My life! Look at this. It's so colorful. Ain't that the damn truth?
It's very, very slick.
Like this is the flattest part of the whole hike right here.
But it's contained.
But look, it dips off right here. Is that your house, Dwayne?
I guess so.
Looks like a cave.
Sasquatch go home now.
It's a turtle.
His mouth open and everything. You see it?
Yeah, right there. Turtle.
Something lives in that. I guarantee it's either an owl or a woodpecker or something.
Maybe it is a woodpecker, because look at that. He'd be peckering at that tree.
Something.
Is that a camera? Hello, I can see you too.
Yep, it's got a little hole back there. Yeah, that's what that is. Maybe it just tells you who's all coming in and out.
Huh.
Just in case you don't come out.
There's the road, and ooh, there's some bikes. Yeah. Yeah, here's the steep, steep beginning. And our car is right on the other side of the road over there. All right, let's get to the car. And then maybe to Walmart?
Yeah.
All right. Hee
Jackson 5. Yeah, Walmart in Hendersonville. Let's see what we can find. In the clearance, check this out. This Roton is 16 bucks. That's like half off. It's pretty cool. There's this, look, here's this hat. And it lights up. So people see on the road. Nice.
Alpha brain.
Alright, we're gonna start a collectible since we're already here. That's cool. They don't have a whole lot of pops, huh? Looks like they got rid of a bunch. Some turtles. Look at that Michael Myers mask.
Oh.
That's pretty cool. I don't know if we've ever seen that.
That's new.
Yeah, Halloween 2. That's awesome.
Wow.
Very cool. Stuff as usual. A Batarang, some Mummy, Back to the Future.
Because these are sick.
Yeah, very cool. Well, we do got a couple Stranger Things, 2 11s, and a Hopper, as usual.
And they're still in the case.
Yeah.
Where the heck is that Eddie?
So I'm seeing some stuff on sale here. Check this out. Look, half off. Look at this. Gloomhaven Jaws of the Lion. It's a fully cooperative fantasy campaign, and it's $24. Holy crap! Look how big that is. That's half off. That's usually $50, you guys.
Whoa, look at this Sorry Giant Edition.
That's cool.
The pieces are huge.
That's awesome.
I could beat you upside the head with them.
Ooh, Turtles Monopoly. Nice. That's the new Turtles too. That's awesome.
We were just saying, how cool would it be if there was a Destination Stone Monopoly?
Okay, I guess we can go look at toys.
S'mores.
Yeah, someone's gonna make s'mores. Alright, so Alexa right there. Stuff, basics. Yeah, basics. Stevie's found this Ray. Oh, there's that Austin Theory, that Chase. Austin Theory. Is that right? It's cool. Yeah, there's a Triple H right here. There's the Edge. That's pretty cool. Look at this Jey Uso. We haven't seen this yet.
Where's
Oh, there's a
Tori?
Huh. Yeah, look at that Jay.
Oh wow, it's Somerset.
Oh, that's the line with Tori in it?
Yeah.
There's the Rock.
Tori and JBL.
And JBL.
That's new. We haven't seen this. Did you see the
No,
belt?
we haven't. Yeah, I don't. Let's see. Oh, look, they got Queen Zelina. This is pretty cool, yeah. They got Cody, Jake, Britt, Ortiz. They got them all. Oh, guess what? There's the Tori.
Oh my god.
Very cool. That's awesome.
And she's got her dog.
Yeah, that's cool as heck. Alright, look at all the Star Wars, you guys. Holy crap, the Black Series. Look, they got 2 rows, like, stacked on top of each other. And then look, there's Ayla, that's pretty cool. A bunch of these newer guys. Dude, they are just stacked in Black Series. There's that Lola I paid like $20 for. Oh, it's got a sticker on it. That's funny. Look, they got tons of the DC Universe stuff, man. Look at that. It is stacked up. It's pretty cool. They got, oh, a couple. They got that new Yelena Belova. That's some older stuff. There's that new Wonder Man. That's pretty cool. Oh, some turtles. Always cool to see the old school turtles coming back. I love it. So, alright. Let's continue on. So there's a whole end cap of wrestlers. That's freaking genius.
What are these? Undertaker, Stone Cold, and Eric Bischoff.
Yeah, that's weird.
There's the Stone Cold.
Yeah.
And look at this Sheamus.
Yeah, that Sheamus is cool. Let's see, there's a Ruthless Aggression figure back here. Oh, that's the Stone Cold.
They're so
cold. Yeah, that set is great.
There's Riddle.
Oh yeah, that Matt Riddle.
Look.
Dang, we haven't seen those either.
Sonya Deville. Wow,
That's
she
cool.
looks awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the Johnny Knoxville.
Yeah, we haven't seen that Knoxville either. Dang. There's some Kevin, Mr. America. A bunch of stuff on the bottom there. There's a Ronda back there. That's pretty cool.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
So they did have it.
Right. Very cool. Look what we found walking through Walmart.
Halloween stuff.
Yeah, we don't even have babies.
Look.
Those are awesome. That's so cute.
It's a pumpkin hood.
Get one and put it on beans.
Still, it's just Halloween.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's up, guys?
Welcome to the room. Well, guys, hope you had fun with us at that waterfall. That was a good time.
Very cool.
And going toy hunting with us. Just been a chill weekend, trying to recover from all the craziness that's been going down. Is this camera crooked? But thanks for hanging with us. And as far as what we picked up at Walmart, we did get one thing.
Yeah, I've been wanting to get this for a while. I've seen it there, and I just didn't want to pay $50 for it. So at half off, Gloomhaven. That's pretty cool. This is like the heaviest board game I've ever picked up. It's freaking massive. It's got a lot to it, and it looks like it would be a lot of fun. It's kind of D&D's type style, except for you don't have to roll dice. It's like card based.
Cards! It's a card game.
And all the maps are in a book, and I think that's really cool. So yeah, maybe we'll play this on a live stream or something one day soon.
Speaking of live streams, if you saw our live stream this past Wednesday, we had a package, and we want to share with you guys, if you didn't get to see that stream, what that package is.
So I have never picked up a U2s until now, and my favorite YouTube gamers, Neebs Gaming, one of their members passed away not too long ago, and they had a U2s of him come out. Thick 44, very cool. It comes with this awesome box, like this outer slip cover box. It's got plastic on it, and here's the figure itself. Very, very cool. Had to pick that up. I wish I would have gotten the Duralius and the Simon whenever they came out, but I didn't, but that's okay. I did have to get Thick though. Very awesome. Thick, we miss you, man. Thank you for everything. Very awesome. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed hanging out with us. If you did, give us a big old thumbs up. And if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe so you can join us on all of our adventures.
And if you're having a good time with us and you'd like to further support the channel, check out our shops. They're linked in the description below. And if you've been hanging out this far, maybe consider becoming a producer of our channel. Check out the join button that's linked right below the video, and check out the 3 different tiers. Our top 2 tiers get to see exclusive content that cannot be seen anywhere else.
We even found some old stuff that we put up and have never been seen before.
Yeah. You never know what exclusive content you may get.
That's right.
So guys, as always, thank you so much for taking a little bit of your time, because it's so precious, to watch a little bit of our lives.
And until next time, you guys.
Onward and upward.
Adios, muchachos.
Muchacho, muchacho, chili burrito. Hey!
Can't get over there.
You can do it! For the good of the film!
Huh?